ABML Morning Update. Nifty heads into final trading week of the year with global cues and macro data positive and undertone constructive. Global markets. US equity markets closed higher on Friday with the Nasdaq Composite slipping 0.09%, the S&P 500 climbed 0.20% and the Dow Jones ending 0.04% lower after pairing early gains. Markets are currently being driven more by technical factors and investor positioning than by fresh information, as there has been little new corporate earnings or economic data to guide sentiment. Recent gains reflect a broadening of market leadership, with the S&P 500 reaching record highs, led by cyclical sectors such as financials and industrials rather than technology. This shift suggests healthier market participation and adds confidence heading into 2026, supported by tailwinds from the tax bill signed in July and interest rate cuts delivered in the fourth quarter. European markets were closed on Thursday and Friday for Christmas and Boxing Day holidays. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a negative note on December 26th. At close, the Sensex was down 0.43% at 85,041 and the Nifty was also down 0.38% at 26,042. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 26 points at 26,099, signaling a positive start to the trading session. The center is expected to continue its strong emphasis on capital expenditure in the upcoming budget, aiming to stimulate economic growth through a multiplier effect and improved consumption demand at a time when private investment remains sluggish. A major focus of this strategy will be the railway sector, which is likely to receive a higher allocation of around 2.7 lakh crore rupees in the next financial year, up from a little over 2.5 lakh crore rupees currently, reflecting an increase in approved projects and faster execution of new lines, multi-tracking, electrification, and procurement of rolling stock. Railway spending has already reached nearly 77% of its annual allocation, indicating strong momentum. In contrast, the highway sector may see only a marginal rise in funding, as substantial investments have already been made in recent years and the pace of new project awards has slowed significantly, which could limit future spending needs. Focus for the day: India industrial production. Key corporate developments or policy actions. BEL signed an MOU with Astra Microwave Products AMPL to jointly design, develop and manufacture advanced electronic systems. Timex Group India's promoter is selling up to 8.93% stake via OFS at a floor price of 275 rupees per share, which is a 21.8% discount to the previous closing price. Vedanta has been declared the successful bidder for the Depot Graphite Vanadium block under the critical mineral auctions. The receipt of the successful bidder status for the Depot Graphite Vanadium block will further strengthen the company's critical minerals portfolio. PNB has reported a borrowable fraud of 2,434 crore rupees to the RBI against the erstwhile promoters of SREI Equipment Finance and SREI Infrastructure Finance. Titan launches first lab-grown diamond brand Beyond with exclusive Mumbai store. The store will offer a range of LGD jewelry, expanding Titan's lifestyle beyond watches, perfumes, sari and handbags. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 2.33 billion rupees, while DII bought for 16.85 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.